here, if you want to move all the axes simultaneously, so for this we have used a separate button, that is move absolute. And for this move absolute also we have developed a program. This is the program that is developed for the move absolute, and it has been tagged to this particular button. So here I'll give values for each of the axes, and if I press this move absolute button, the axis will move like in a simultaneously. So for x, let me give the value as 500, and for y also 500, and for z 400. So here we can see that the axes are moving simultaneously. So now I can have to bring back to its original position. So for this I can either press the home button or I can set the value as 0. So we can see that the axes are going back to its original position or home position. So if you want to come out of the program, you can just power off all the button, and then we can stop the cycle. This is the total setup of our project, and this is a 3-axis gantry system that we are using for the project and mainly used for picking and placing. So this part is the x-axis, this part is the x-axis, and this part is the y-axis, and this part is the z-axis. So for each of the axis we have used an individual motor for controlling. So this is the control that is used for x-axis, this is the motor that is used for y-axis, and this is the motor that is used for z-axis. So here the movement will be done like the x-axis will move forward and reverse, and same for the y-axis, and the z-axis moves vertically up and down. Then after that these are the controllers which are used to control the motor and the axis, and this is the 24 volt DC SMPS that converts AC to DC, and here this is a PLC which is a main part, and the program is done to the PLC. So in between there is a space where the picking and placing is done in the table, and this is a wireless router that is used for setting the wireless communication. So here the wireless communication has been set to the PLC as well as the laptop. Now the 3-axis has been powered on, so the controlling is done now. It's all just. What's up?